Welcome back to Brenda Lee's Creations, all things printable and more. So on my video last night, I talked about my silhouette that I had for, I know, at least 10 years. And she died on me. And I had to order another one. But this is her. And she quit working, and I was so sad. I love her. She done me great justice, and she did a lot of work for me. She was awesome, and I hope that her next of kin be as awesome as she has been for me for the last 10 years. So I'm excited. It came today. I wasn't expecting it to get here until the weekend. But it showed up today, and so I'm excited, and I just decided I would get on here and unbox my cameo and let y'all see me unbox my cameo. And so that is what I am going to do. So in this container here, looks like we have our power cord. We have our power cord. We'll lay that right there. And we have our USB cord here. And we have our auto blade and some other blades. We have several of those and a little booklet, I guess, for instructions. Okay. And we have a cameo mat that came with it. I'm going to put that right there. And now it is time to take her out of the box. Let's see. She's a big one. I had my Cricut out. And I set her to the I set her to the side. I was still in the process of trying to learn how to maneuver around in it. And I was getting there, you know, push came to a shove. I've had my Cricut probably about, I'm gonna say probably 6 years. And I really never have actually done anything with her until my sweetheart passed away. And so I had to pull this one out and start trying to maneuver around so that I could get my customer order out. And, you know, in the last week or so, I have learned a great deal on maneuvering around in the Cricut. And because, you know, some of the features of the cameo, they, you know, the terminology, I guess, are pretty much, well, the terminology are a little different, but it kind of works the same. And so that helped me out knowing. And so we have this blue tape here that I need to remove. I'm going to take this off. And let's see. Got some more blue tape right here. Need to take that off. Take that blue tape off. There's a lot of blue tape here, and that's good because it holds everything in place that needs to be held in place. But I got these old nails on and can't grip like I want to. We got that one off. Pull that out. And we got one back here. Get that one off. show you all. This may be another long video, but you can always speed it up. So this is Brenda Lee's creation, all things printable. And if you are new to my station, my channel, please, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I would love it very much if you have not already done so. So if you would take the time while I'm fumbling around here to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then hit your notification bell and select the word all, so that you will receive all my content that I upload on this channel. I do a variety of things, and they keep me pretty busy. The things that I do. So I've gotten that part off. I'm gonna need to give myself some more light here. Excuse me for being all in the camera, but I need some more light, and I need my glasses. Okay, so I need to get in this part here. So I'm gonna need to set this up on the side. Uh-oh. And take this back tape off back here. Okay. So it looks like I have gotten all the blue tape off the machine. Push that back. And I think it's just a piece of board in here. Oh yeah, it's taped down, so take that off. Take this piece of board out. Yep. I hope y'all can see pretty well. I brought it back some so you can get a good view. Don't want to be too far back. Oh, excuse me. But there you go. And now there's a piece of something here. Okay, so now my thing slide. Okay. So I got that out. So that is everything out. Now, the next thing, I'm so glad that I kind of experienced in setting up these machines because of me having one, and all my other printers and things that I have to go through the same process when I order things, is that, you know, having to set it up. Once I've done it once or twice, because when my daughter ordered hers a few years ago, I went and set hers up for her, and so that just kind of helped me to continue on setting these electronics up. So this is the power cord, and I am going to power it on. And y'all excuse me for a minute, my husband is calling. Hello? Hello?
Let these seats back up at the back.
Yeah, I will.
No, I want to let it up now. Let the car wash.
What are you talking about? How to let it up?
Yeah.
I can't tell you how to let it up because somebody had to show us how to let it down.
All right.
Bye. All right. I was in our Denali yesterday with my daughter. She needed to go pick up some things, and so we drove to Denali. And it was our first time letting down the seats and all that stuff. And there was another lady there, and she had a SUV, so she had her seats down. She came over and showed us how to let it down, and I did not let them back up last night. I was going to do it this morning. And so my husband took the car, and he's at the car wash, and he don't know how to let them up. And calling me, asking me how to let it up, and I told him I can't tell him how to let it up because somebody showed me how to let it down. So that is that. He should have, when he got in it and saw that the seats were down, he should have, asked Dan how to let it up if he didn't know how to do it. We could have figured that out together. But it is what it is. Okay, so now, yep, okay, so this is Bluetooth, but I'm not going to use Bluetooth. I'm going to hook it up to my computer, so that if the power or whatever or something happens, I don't have to worry about losing connections. And this is the USB plug for the computer. Okay, so I can finish up my other order that I had to get out. I had planned to go to my daughter's house and complete it using her cameo. But mine came today. I tell you what, sometimes you have the most trouble. So I went to her house last night, and I was going to print from her computer and just go ahead and cut everything while I was there. Well, her printer wouldn't work because the magenta was low. So I said, well, I'll come back home and I'll print the image at home, and hopefully, we'll get the correct cuts, and I'll just come back and cut it. So while I was looking around, I said, I think I got some magenta that, cartridges that'll fit her computer, her printer. And so I did, and I take some back, and her printer will not read it, the magenta. Now it read the cyan, but it wouldn't read the magenta. So again, I said, you know what? I'm going to leave everything here. I'll be back tomorrow. So she had sent me her code to get into the house. This morning I had texted and asked for it. And she had sent it, and I was doing my Bible study. And I said, well, when I finish that, I'll go to her house and do this. But so happened, thank you, Jesus, he sent my cameo a little earlier. And so now I can sit in my own home, in my own privacy, and work at my own pace and know what I am doing and get this thing done. So I'm going to turn this around, and I'm going to set it here. This is where my other little sweetheart used to sit, right here. And I'm just going to kind of get it stationed a little bit, and I'll come back and try to take care of the rest. So you all, this is my baby. I don't know what I'm going to name her, which the other one I did not give her a name, but I'm going to give her a name, and I'm going to have to think on that name. I think I'm going to go ahead and name my old one, and her name is going to be Blessing. So her name is Blessing, or Blessed. And I am going to name this one. I don't know yet. I will let y'all know. When I do my first cut, I will come back and show you that, how she's working and all of that, and I will have a name for her. So I would just like to say thank you for taking the time out to watch this video, and please watch it to the end so I can build up my watch time. And please, again, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are a subscriber, please share, like, and comment, and so that I can, again, get my channel built up. I'm still trying to get to that 1,000. I'm almost there. Y'all have been very helpful, and I'm very thankful and grateful for all of you all. So, in saying that, I'm going to say thank you for watching this video. Be blessed and have a blessed rest of your Thursday afternoon. And may God continue to watch over you, and that your business will continue to prosper and be everything that you desire it to be, and everything that God will give you the ability to make it what you will have it to be. So have a blessed rest of your day. Thank you for watching Brenda Lee's Creations, all things printable and more.